Today we will be talking about a unique mouthwash that improve oral and dental health. One of the most crucial components of maintaining health is good oral hygiene. Since many specialists now believe that oral bacteria may negatively impact your gut health in multiple ways, it is even more important to practice good hygiene. We typically use antibacterial mouthwashes to thoroughly clean our mouths after brushing because we think liquid mouthwashes will be more equipped to fight and kill oral bacteria. But we don't realize that synthetic mouthwashes could worsen the situation by destroying the natural flora in your mouth in addition to killing dangerous bacteria. Use of antibacterial mouthwashes frequently may have greater negative effects on digestion because the oral microbiota in your mouth is crucial to a healthy digestive system. In fact, if you already have foul breath, this could make things worse. Because saliva is what keeps the mouth's pH balanced, having a dry mouth could encourage the growth of pathogenic germs and cause bad breath. To keep your mouth clean, you should ideally wash your teeth, floss, and then scrape your tongue. However, if you are accustomed to using mouthwashes, try to stick as closely as you can to natural options. You may create a natural mouthwash at home without experiencing any negative effects. You may produce natural mouthwashes at home using the recipes we provide. Continue reading. 1. Cinnamon and clove mouthwash. To make this mouthwash, all you need to do is combine 1 cup of distilled water with 10 to 15 drops of cinnamon oil and 10 to 15 drops of clove oil. Your mouthwash is ready. The best feature of this natural mouthwash is that you may store it for a very long time due to its lengthy shelf life. This mouthwash can help you prevent cavities in addition to foul breath. 2. Peppermint and tea tree oil mouthwash recipe. This mouthwash remedy for foul breath with peppermint and tea tree oil simply requires 3 components. Due to its antibacterial qualities, peppermint, a frequent ingredient in many toothpastes, is excellent at battling foul breath. Additionally, a natural cure for foul breath, tea tree oil can also soothe inflamed gums. Ingredients includes 1 cup of purified water, 10 drops of peppermint's essential oil, 6 drops of tea tree essential oil. Add all ingredients into a glass bottle, then shake well to mix. Take a small sip and gargle in your mouth for 30 seconds and spit out. Shake well before each use and use within 2 weeks. Apple cider vinegar. In this straightforward mouthwash, apple cider vinegar serves as the main component. Numerous minerals, such as calcium, potassium, salt, and magnesium, can improve the overall health of your teeth, and apple cider vinegar is rich in these minerals. Ingredients comprise apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons, and 1 cup of water. Combine the ingredients by adding them to a jar and stirring. Take a tiny sip and hold it in your mouth for 20 to 30 seconds before spitting it out. Keep for up to 2 weeks in a refrigerator or on a counter. 4. Salty mouthwash. Due to the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities of sea salt, dentists have long recommended sea salt rinses for tooth discomfort and inflammation. This mouthwash can aid with gum problems or inflammation and can also remove stains from your teeth. Furthermore, baking soda has proven to be a practical and affordable method of teeth whitening. Ingredients include 1 cup of purified water, 1 tablespoon of sea salt and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. When the water is heated, add the sea salt and baking soda, stir well to combine, and then pour into a glass bottle. Once the water is cool, take a small drink and hold it in your mouth for up to 20 to 30 seconds before spitting it out. Store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Making your own mouthwash gives you control over the components and the ability to adjust the recipe to meet your unique requirements. To improve the flavor, you might get inventive by including or omitting essential oils. Mouthwash can assist to eliminate bad breath and stop cavities from forming as part of your daily oral hygiene regimen. You'll be on your way to a stronger and healthier grin once you've tried the recipes above and found one you enjoy.